I just want to drive the car around. We're just gonna replace the hose. We're gonna put all new coolant in it. So then we don't gotta worry about nothing. Oh, there it is. Haha, got it. Okay, so I got the new hose made right down there. Comes all the way down, all the way up. See how that works. So I have to wait for the thermostat to open, and eventually it will drain through and clear everything out. Right now it's only at 103, so we're not there yet. And now the thermostat opened, and now it's starting to bubble all the air out of it now. So those are 194 right there, 195. We're not getting into it either. It's wet. It rained this morning and last night. So I just want to drive it, and I know where I need to go in order for it to get hot. So if I drive and it goes down, we'll be good to go. Yeah, that's gonna be real bouncy. Well, it went down to 188 now, so that's good. Yeah, down to 190, just cruising at 2,500 RPMs. Going good so far. Down to 189, 190, 2,500. I know coming back, once I get some heat going, I can get it up to 60 mile an hour. Fuel pressure's good. Oil pressure's at 50 pounds. So we're good with everything. That's just stuff burning off. All right, went to 193. Cruise through here, and it will come back, and we'll go back the other way. I think that's just, oh yeah, that's coming out the exhaust. Right. Lots of cars around here today. Everyone's going for a hike. We'll drop to 192. I'd rather have a problem where it's hard for me to warm this up than it is to cool it down. And I really hope I have that problem. That would be great. Well, to 195, but that's how it was at idle. 194. Oil pressure's at 43. Fuel pressure 61. Doing good. Like I said, we're just gonna cruise it. It's wet. It rained. I'm not getting into it. Yeah, 194. All right. Well, this will be the real test once we get back onto my street where I live. Over a mile, so I think it'd be like 2 miles, or this, I think this whole loop maybe like 5 or so miles, which would be good. So I can cruise up to 60. And that's what my road is. It's 55 in front of my house. Roughly about 60 mile an hour. We're at 3,200. farther. I'm gonna go down the road. We're at 207, so let's see how this goes. .208, 209. Run the 35 pounds of oil pressure at 212 for coolant. 213. 214. There's the town hall I wanted to go into. 215. This intersection up here. We're at 215, 216. Alright, I'm pushing my luck. I'm going to turn around. Yeah, let's turn around. We're at 216, which shouldn't be bad. I don't know if there's not enough air getting it. We're at 224. 223. We're at 227 right now. $228. Yeah, I don't. 229. I don't know. All right, 230. Yeah, 228 now. Like I don't get what's going on. It did take a lot longer to go up. But yeah, I don't know. 28. See if I rev it if it go down. Yeah, now it's going down. But I just don't understand why it's so high. So I'm gonna go out there and let it cool down for a little bit and see if we can figure it out. My baby boy. You think I need to cut all the front bumper here so more airflow gets through? Because that part in there is the only part of the radiator that's getting air. So I wonder if I need to do that. So I don't know. Maybe I'll do that one day. Yeah, now that it's been sitting, idling for a while, now it's going back down to 199. So when it idles, it drops the temperature down. Just when it's going for a long period of time, it jumps. I just don't understand. I don't get what's going on. Do I need to reroute the steam port like into here and then have that one solid upper piece? Maybe I'll try that next. But I don't know. See, look, now it went down again. If you guys have any tips or anything, let me know, because I'm at a loss for words besides doing that and cutting a hole out in the front so more airflow can get through. But all right, stay tuned, guys. We'll do that on the next one. Go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe down below for me. Peace.